Albany State University has a great resource for you to use when planning your class schedule, managing your progress towards your degree, and even monitoring your GPA. This system is called DegreeWorks. To access DegreeWorks, you must first log in to your banner web. You will then select the tab titled Student Services and Financial Aid, and then you will select DegreeWorks. Please be sure that your pop-up blocker is turned off or that your web browser will allow pop-ups from the banner website. The first page you will see is your current academic progress. At the top of the page, you will view your personal information. This box contains your name, the degree that you are pursuing, your major if one has been declared, and your advisor's name. All core curriculum requirements must be completed as part of the Associate of Arts, Associate of Science, Bachelor of Arts, and Bachelor of Science degree programs. As you scroll down the screen, the system shows you courses you have taken that you are registered for and the graduation requirements that you have met. The system also shows you if you have completed the areas of the core curriculum, your physical education requirement, and your communications course requirement, which is the critical thinking requirements set by the University Systems of Georgia. Under Area A, Communication Skills, you can see the courses for English 1101 and English 1102 that I've taken. For the areas that are not being met, DegreeWorks has a list of courses that you can register for to fulfill the requirement. For example, next to Area D, which is the Natural Sciences, Mathematics, and Technology section, you can see a list of each of the lab sciences I could take to complete in Area D. Below the core requirements, you have a list of the CPC requirements that must be met. If you have not met one of these requirements, the checkbox will be unchecked and a list of possible courses to fulfill these requirements. The system lists fall-through courses, which are courses that do not meet a requirement. This can also include learning support courses and ASU 1201, which do not fit within the core curriculum. If you are planning on changing your major but have not filled out the paperwork yet, the system may list courses for your new major under fall-through courses. Under the Insufficient tab, reflected here are the courses that you have previously withdrawn from or did not have a passing academic standing. Finally, the system has an In Progress. These are courses that you are currently enrolled in for the current semester. It would also list courses suggested for the upcoming semester relating to your major. While DegreeWorks is a great resource, it's always a good idea to follow up with your advisor and the college catalog to ensure you are meeting the requirements for your degree. As we scroll back up to the top of the screen, note that DegreeWorks shows you how many credits you have applied and how many are required for graduation. Near the top of the screen, there is a tab that says GPA Calculator. This tool will list your GPA. It also gives you a way to see what your GPA could be. This is a great tool to show you how you can improve your GPA. For example, if my current GPA is 2.0 and I have 60 credits remaining out of a total of 124 credits required for my degree. Let's say I want to see what it would take for me to receive a GPA of 2.8 for my final GPA. I would need to average 3.65 over my final 60 credit hours to graduate with this desired GPA, which is close to all A's. Let's see what it would take for me to receive a final GPA of 3.5. The system calculates what I would need, and in this case, I can't possibly finish with a 3.5 GPA because I would need a GPA higher than 4.0 the rest of the way. To achieve this desired GPA, you would need to average higher than a 4.0. Finally, let's go back and see what it would take for me to receive a GPA of 2.5 for my final GPA. I would need to average 3.0 over my final 60 credits to graduate with this desired GPA, which is manageable. There is a great tool to show you what you would need to do to improve your GPA, and it also shows you how hard it is to improve your GPA when you are more than one semester into your college career. On the left side of the screen, I can click on Term Calculator to calculate what my GPA would be after this semester. So let's say I have a 3.0 and I've completed 15 credits so far. I can enter in each class name that I'm taking this semester, the number of credits for each, and my expected grade. If I do this and hit Calculate, I will see what my cumulative GPA would be at the end of the semester. I can go back and change a couple of my grades, recalculate, and see how those different grades will impact my overall GPA. Finally, DegreeWorks has a great way for you to see what would happen if you were to change majors. Remember, on my academic screen at the bottom, here it would list other courses listed if you wanted to choose another major. Finally, DegreeWorks has a great way for you to see what would happen if you were to change majors. Remember, on my academic screen at the bottom, here it would list other courses if you wanted to choose another major. If I click What If on the left side of the screen, I could see what my transcript would look like if I choose another major. Let's select a major. I will choose Criminal Justice, and I will select History as my concentration from the drop-down menus. Then select Process What If. Please know that concentrations are optional. You can see that my courses are the same, but now DegreeWorks has added a few of my concentration courses to my academic sheet. They would no longer show under your fall-through courses. Let's show another example. Let's click What If on the left side of the screen. Let's select a major. I will choose Mathematics, and I will select Computer Science as my concentration from the drop-down menu. Then select Process What If. Again, you can see that my courses are the same, but DegreeWorks has added a few of my concentration courses to my academic sheet. You can also add future classes to your current transcript to see where you will be at the end of the next semester, or to help you choose between classes that you are considering. Also, you can print your current academic information and your what-if scenarios by selecting Print at the top of your screen. Again, DegreeWorks is a great tool for you to use to keep up with your academic progress. This does not mean you should not go see an academic advisor. Advisors can help you work through the system and also help to provide additional information. We thank you for watching and hope you make great use of this fantastic tool.